Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of the game Star Wars Dark Forces Remaster. So the game is not working on our PC and it keeps crashing. So in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So if you want to play the online mode of the game, then first of all check your internet connection and also make sure to update your PC. And also before installing the game, first of all check the system requirement of the game and make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirement. So the remastered edition of a game comes with higher graphics and this game allows up to 4K resolution with 120 FPS. So first of all make sure to update your graphic drivers and also update the display adapters. And after the installation of the updates, restart your device and try to relaunch the game. Try to run the game as administrator, and for that just right click on the games icon. Try to run the game after enabling high performance mode or gaming mode. If the game keeps crashing, then first of all verify the integrity of the game file and even perform a reinstallation if requires. And also try to run the game after disabling VPN and firewall. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit to our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.